pride ourselves in offering tailor-made solutions for the most difficult corrugate applications. Take this project for example. How to automatically form and glue seal a 6-foot corrugated tray. This was no small task. Every vendor our customer approached said they couldn't. We said we could, and we did. Some call that walking the walk. We call it delivering on a promise. At EndFlex, we welcome complex projects and look forward to working with our clients to find solutions. If you're looking to find a way to increase efficiencies and reduce labor, we're your people.